Hey, what's up everyone? This is your boy Yashvia Gaming, where if you're new to this channel guys, I would like you to come and smash that little subscribe button. Alright, so without any further ado guys, today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix this problem. Alright, on Google Adsense. Alright, as you can see here it says your payments are currently on hold, action required to release payment. Alright, so basically this happens, there are probably a few reasons if you haven't submitted the tax form. All right, or maybe if you haven't verified your Google Adsense. All right, but as for me right now, I haven't submitted my tax information, and I'm gonna show you full step by step how am I gonna do that. If you're not if you don't live in the US, and if you're not, obviously you're not a USA resident, a US citizens, then this video is for you, because I'm not from United States, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this step by step, and how am I gonna get approved. Alright, so with it here, your payment is currently action or required to release payment. So I click on action over there. Okay, and as you can see, to make sure your payment is included in the next cycle, please provide your tax information. This will only take a few minutes. Okay, so what you need to do is to click updates. Okay, so once in here, you wanna click add tax info. Okay, you wanna click this. So this is gonna ask you here, and here all you need to do is to sign in. Okay, alright, so as soon as you sign in, it will bring you here, United States tax info. Alright, so here it's gonna ask you what type of account you're using, whether it's individual or non-individual entity. I'm individual, so I'm gonna hit next, and it's gonna ask you if you're a resident, you're a citizen or resident of United States. I'm gonna select no and hit next. So in this here, right here, is gonna ask you to select the W8 tax form. Okay, it's the type of the W8 form, whether it's been from used by non-US individual, which will want to claim the tax treaty benefits, or the second one. So for this purpose, okay, so if you're not a US resident, okay, you wanna select this, okay, W8BEN. Alright, start W8 BEN form. And as you can see here, it's gonna ask you your legal name. You wanna enter your legal name, and here if you have a DBA, doing as business, okay, doing business as, name, disregard entity. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna leave that blank because I don't have that. And here all you need to do is to find your country. Okay, so I'm gonna select my country, and here if you have any of this information, taxpayer identification number, foreign TIN, okay, and US ITIN or SSN. Right, I don't have none of those, so I'm just gonna skip. Okay, here I'm gonna make sure that the permanent residence PO box address, whatever, and here I'm gonna write down my street address, postal code, zip code, city, and yes, the mailing address is same as permanent as my residence address as well. I'm gonna hit next, and here, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under tax treaty? Nope. Hit next. Alright, so this is a form. Okay, so this is a default form, so you're gonna click on this form, and it's gonna bring you another tab. Okay, you're gonna click that, and we're gonna launch it here, and as you can see here, you're gonna cross check. This is a certificate of foreign status of beneficial owner for United States withholding and reporting individuals. Okay, so all you need to do is to match to see if your name has is correct. Okay, So here I'm gonna click I confirm that I reviewed the generated tax document and click next. And here certification, here are you the person listed in the signature certification? Yes, I'm the person listed, and I'm completing this form on my own behalf. All right, so now write your own full legal name. All right, hit next. Activities and services performed in the US. Okay, US services, activities and performance of this can only having employees has an individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within US. Nope. Status change affidavit. Okay, affidavit. Okay, are you providing tax info for new? I'm providing, yeah, this one. I'm providing tax info for an existing payment profile that has previously received payments. All right, this changes optional, just leave that blank. Alright, under penalties of perjury, I declare blah blah blah. Okay, so changes. Okay, so there's no changes over here, and just hit next. Okay, tax reporting, blah blah blah. Go paperless. Alright, and hit I accept paperless delivery. I accept the paperless delivery agreement, and finally click submit. This is gonna take a few seconds, and voila, as you can see guys, boom, status approved, submitted April 11 2022. All right, so this is how you get approved, guys. Okay, this is how you submit your tax form if you're non-US resident. Okay, if you're non-US citizen, and this is how you get approved. Thanks for watching. I hope this story was helpful, and definitely give this video a thumbs up, and leave me in comments if you have any difficulties. Okay, if you're also a non-US citizenship. Okay, so if you don't live in the United States, okay, tell me how has it been for you. Okay, if you've got approved or disapproved or not approved. All right, so yeah, thanks for watching guys. Your boy Yashve Gaming, and I'm signing out.